In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a QR code for vCard. Here is my vCard. I will add a QR code here. First of all, add a new tab and search free QR code generator. To generate vCard QR code, I will use qr-code-generator.com. Here you will see lots of options. Click on vCard. Fill up all the vCard information. After fill up all the information, click on generate QR code. QR code is ready. If you want some customize like add frame and change the QR code color, you can do from here as well. But for my vCard, I need a simple QR code. Once customization done, click on download JPG. After generated, QR code will be automatically download. Once download QR code, I will go back to Canva and add this QR code here and upload the QR code in Canva and then drag it to my design. I will adjust size of QR code. That's how we can generate a QR code for vCard. Now your customer can scan this QR code and easily get all the information of your business. That's how we can create a QR code for vCard. If this video is helpful, please subscribe our channel for more tutorial like this.